To add a row or column to your Excel spreadsheet, it is very easy. What I'm going to do is go with my pointer over to the numbers where all these rows are numbered. We're going to add a row in between bananas and oranges here. So I'm going to left click row 5 and then right click and then go down to insert. And that's going to insert a row above where I had selected. And we can do the same thing with columns too. So if we go into column B, left click on column B, then right click and then click insert. And that'll insert a column where we had it selected. You can also do this from individual cells. So I have cell B8 selected here. Let me right click and then hit insert. You can insert cells, you can insert entire rows or columns. In this case, we'll insert a row. And there we go. And then you can delete them the same way. So we can right click the cell that we have, delete. You can select whether you want to delete the cell or the entire row or column. In this case, let's delete that row we just created. Click OK. We can delete them the same way by selecting entire rows or columns at a time. So we'll select column B here and then right click and delete. So that will delete our columns, and we can do the same thing with rows. Right click, delete, and then we're back to our original configuration here. You can also hold down Control so you can select multiple cells or multiple rows at a time, so it makes life easier. Same thing with Shift. Shift will just highlight everything in between what you select. So that makes life a lot easier. You can also insert rows and columns. It's a little bit slower, but you can also insert them from the cells group within the Home tab here. So we can click this down arrow, and then we can insert cells, we can insert rows, and sheet columns. So again, very, very easy. Once you learn how to navigate it, it's not too hard. I know this was a short video, but leave a like if this helped you out, and subscribe for more Excel help and tutorial videos coming very soon in the future. Have a wonderful day.